See the ocean, how it sways in the sun, keeping our stories in its motion. Lies the truth about us. Things time will tell, we might never know. We'll be gone before it all begins. Send me your songs of tomorrow. I'm dying to know it all. Stories of joy and of sorrow. I'm dying to know it all. To know it all.
That's right. So, hello, welcome to today's video trip vlog. We're heading to Bohernabreena, the reservoir in Bohernabreena, in the foothills of the Dublin Mountains, which are just ahead of us. And so what we're doing is it's a big big reservoir. Now the Dublin City's right there, like it's just behind those trees. That I'll show you. So that's where Dublin City is. And
Where the girls are so pretty.
we actually got married in a church near here. So we'll have a look at that later. And so we're just gonna have a look around. It's beautiful though, isn't it? How many years have we been saying we're gonna come here?
Well, I mean, like, I'm 39 and I lived in Tala until I was 26 and I've never been here.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, so I've never been here before, but we've heard about it. So what we're going to do now is have a look around. It's beautiful. But we've been kind of
Beautiful
promised
day.
to come here for 2 years. It is a beautiful day, isn't it? For once. So, okay.
Seldom is wonderful.
True. Probably all blown out, I can't see.
Lord, out your
Right. Where are we, Bay? Vanessa's having a stroke because the van's parked there on the road. Be alright. What are we having? I mean, where are we?
Church.
Church that you've got married in.
Yes. That's it there. That's the church where it all happened. 11 years ago. I'm not videoing you so you can stop pulling faces.
11 years.
11 years ago. 11
years
11
of
wonderful,
hell.
11 wonderful years ago. We were in there.
You're not recording.
We were done and dusted by this time, wasn't it? 10 to 6.
Ah, yeah.
We're at the reception.
Well, I mean, apart from the fact that we were back from honeymoon and all because it's June.
No, but you know what I mean. So remember standing in that doorway
Yeah.
and the wind kept blowing your
Veil.
yeah. But it was a nice picture. She worked with it, didn't she, in fairness?
Yeah.
The photographer. And it's funny, of all the moments, there's such a certain there's certain moments from the day that I kind of remember. And wait now, and make sure you're in the shot. So I remember standing in this doorway, and I remember being at the altar. I remember turning and you coming in. The rest of it's a bit of a blur. I remember coming and, or arriving, I should say, and but I remember standing there, but the rest of it is just all sort of. It's a lovely church, isn't it? It's not our local church. We had to get a kind of dispensation to come here because we'd only moved into Racool, and this is near Vanessa's family home, so we wanted to use this instead, didn't you, Vy?
Did you learn?
Did you leave a window up?